Morning to all. Myself T. Prabhu, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Science, Coimbatore. So we have discussed about lecture of animal husbandry. Okay. So we are having animal husbandry. Okay. So first of all, what are the animal husbandry? Animal husbandry means to carry out the animals to productive and to growth of further management. This is for animal husbandry. Okay. So first of all, animal breeding. So what is the animal breeding? So animal breeding is nothing but we are providing for the animal to separate house of animals. Then we are providing good healthy and proper making digestion. Then after good protein supplementary also. So this is the where animal breeding. So the breeding means the animal can be carried out for the particular area of size separation of our located area. So for example, we are preparing for a dog or cat or Mr. Rat, anything else you have to breed for the animals. Okay. So first of all, dogs. So we are separating 1 to 7 hectares surrounding area. So we have to provide dog foods like pedigree also. We have to provide for good protein supplementary necessary for the growth of dogs. Then also we are providing for rats. For example, mice or rodent or viscerals, we have to procure for separate animal cages available there. Then only for breeding for animal, the rat will be procurement for the stability of our environmental focus. There are also other important things of temperature. So like that, each and every animal should be maintained for the particular temperature. For example, rat around 32 degrees centigrade temperature to be suitable for our growth of animals. Okay. For example, the dogs will be around 36 degrees centigrade temperature. The dog will be provided safely and secure. Okay. The next, animal handling. How to animal handling? We are providing for CPSC guidelines for the committee purpose of control and supervision of education of animals. So we are providing for the guidance of all the things of animal handling. Like we are experimental pathway of rat or rodents. We are handling of animals. We are smoothly handling. So if you are putting a route of administration of any drugs or via IV or IM or intradermal or intramuscular, we have to provide many other things, right? Okay. So we are experimentally taking to handle of animals. So how to carry out the animals? So we are provided for the CPSC guidance for the how to handle for animals. So that they are stage by stage we are providing for some guidelines. First of all, so how to animal handling like rabbit. So rabbit is one of the biggest animal. So we have to keep on earing to protect and keeping on earing to consider after swallow the rabbit. Then we have to procedure for the blood clotting techniques or blood injurious techniques. So we have to provide for the sterile injections for the IV needle. So we have to clear the air marginal vein for rabbit to isolate to sterilize the particular area. Then only use the needle stick. Then only it will be prick out the blood to isolate the or collected the pure blood sample. Then only after anticoagulant agent of drugs will be provided for the IV route only. Then after we have to sedimentation the rate of blood clots to providing a rate of capillary to be used to providing. Then only sedimentation to analyze the statistical procedure. Okay. So then only food supplements. So animals may have a large amount of foods like carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. We have to provide for food supplements. So like vegetables or any other protein supplements like carbohydrates, anything else, whatever maybe you have to proceed. You have to give me animals. So mostly the dog will be having a pedigree also. The rat will be also having a like carrot, like cabbage. Okay. So any other vegetable supplementary for the good health for animals. So these are the animal handling. Thank you.